Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Biology Hai Easy, where learning is fun, and myself Sanhita Sarkar. Today we will be discussing about acids, bases and salts. It is chapter 5 of class 7 NCERT science textbook. Now you can see that here there are many substances having different tastes, right? So can any one of you tell me why curd tastes sour or why lemon tastes sour? So lemon is sour in taste because of the presence of what? Because of the presence of acids. Now what are acids? Acids are those substances which are sour to taste, and it is derived from a Latin word acere, which means sour. And few examples of acids are acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, formic acid. These four acids are natural acids, and hydrochloric acid and nitric acids are mineral acids. In this slide you can see few examples of natural acids. As for example, oxalic acid is present in spinach. Citric acid is present in oranges. Lactic acid is present in what? In curd. Formic acid is present in ants' sting. Tartaric acid is present in tamarind. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. As I have already told you that there are two types of acids. The first one is natural acids. And what are they? These are naturally occurring acids. And few examples are acetic acid, citric acid and tartaric acid. And the other type of acid is mineral acid, because these are synthesized artificially or prepared in laboratories. Hence, they are also known as synthetic acids or artificial acids. And few examples of mineral acids are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Let's talk about the properties of acids. Acids are sour in taste. They are corrosive in nature. Especially mineral acids are corrosive in nature, which means if one drop of these acids fall on your skin, it will burn your skin. Acids conduct electricity. They are soluble in water, that is, they get mixed with water easily. Acids react with bases to produce salt and water with the evolution of heat. It is also known as neutralization reaction. Now, I have a question in my mind. Why baking soda is bitter in taste? Can any one of you tell me? It is bitter in taste because of the presence of what? Because of the presence of a substance called bases. What are bases? Bases are those substances that are bitter in tastes and feels soapy. अगर आपने कभी साबुन को या बेकिंग सोडा को छूकर देखा होगा तो आपको कैसा लगता है? स्लिपरी लगता है. और अगर कभी आपने बेकिंग सोडा टेस्ट किया है तो वो आपको कैसा टेस्ट करेगा? कड़वा टेस्ट करेगा. तो bases are those substances that are bitter to taste and feels soapy. Few examples of bases are calcium hydroxide, which is also known as lime water, ammonium hydroxide, which is present in window cleaners, magnesium hydroxide, which is also known as antacid or milk of magnesia, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, which is present in soaps. Now let's see few properties of bases. So bases are bitter in taste. They conduct electricity. Some of the bases gets dissolved in water and these are known as alkali. Two examples of alkali are sodium hydroxide and barium hydroxide, and few of them are insoluble in water, and such bases are calcium hydroxide and copper hydroxide. Now, we cannot taste anything or everything because everything that is present out there is not edible, right? So, how will we be able to detect whether this substance is acidic in nature or basic in nature? Here, indicators play their role. Now, what are indicators? Indicators are those substances which changes their color upon reacting with bases and acids. Here, you can see three naturally occurring indicators or three natural indicators. What are they? These are turmeric, यानी कि हल्दी, litmus, which is extracted from lichens. And what are lichens? Lichen is symbiotic association between fungi and algae. And the other is the petals of China rose. Now, we will discuss about each of them in detail. Turmeric is a natural indicator. When turmeric reacts with base, it gives a red color. But its color remains the same when it reacts with turmeric. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख पा रहे हैं कि एक बच्चे ने जो ब्लॉटिंग पेपर है उसमें जो टर्मरिक का लेप है वो लगाया था और उसके ऊपर उसने साबुन का जो सॉल्यूशन है उससे कुछ लिखा है जैसे कि सरप्राइज। तो आप देख ही पा रहे हैं कि जहां जहां वो सोप सॉल्यूशन गिरा है वैसे एरिया में रेड हो चुका है। तो यहीं से हमें पता चलता है कि जब हल्दी किसी बेसिक सब्सटेंस से रिएक्ट करता है तो वो एक रेड कलर देता है। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट नेचुरल इंडिकेटर। नाउ litmus is extracted from lichens and it is available as litmus solution or litmus paper strips. अब जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख पा रहे हैं कि जो रेड लिटमस पेपर है उसका कोई कलर चेंज नहीं होता है इन एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन, पर जब वो बेस के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो जो रेड लिटमस पेपर है वो ब्लू कलर में बदल जाता है। सिमिलरली जो ब्लू लिटमस पेपर है वो जब एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो उसका कलर ब्लू से रेड हो जाता है और जब वो किसी बेसिक सब्सटेंस से रिएक्ट करता है तो उसका कलर में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं आता है। Now, let's talk about China rose. Petals of China rose acts as a natural indicator. It is light pink in color. When it reacts with acid, its color changes to magenta or dark pink, and when it reacts with bases, its color changes to green color. Okay, so till now we discussed about what? We discussed about natural indicators. Now let's move on to synthetic indicators. One example of synthetic indicator is phenolphthalein. It is used in titration test. It is a colorless indicator and remains the same in acidic solution. That is, it remains colorless in acidic solution. It imparts pink color upon reacting with bases. जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर जो दो वायल्स है जहां पर एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन है फिनोल्फथालीन ने कोई कलर नहीं दिया है, वो कलरलेस है, पर जहां पर बेसिक या अल्कलाइन सॉल्यूशन है वहां पर आप देख पा रहे हैं कि इसका जो कलर है वो पिंक हो चुका है। नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट? न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन। व्हाट इज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन? इट इज अ रिएक्शन बिटवीन एसिड एंड बेस। अपॉन रिएक्टिंग they form what? Salt and water, and heat is also evolved. As for example, you can see that when HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, reacts with NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, which is a base, it produces a salt called sodium chloride, that is NaCl, and water H2O with the evolution of heat. So what is neutralization reaction? The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Now, neutralization reaction occurs in our everyday life. The first example is indigestion. When there is excessive secretion of acid in our stomach, doctor advise us to take antacid, which is also known as magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia. It neutralizes excessive acid in stomach and relieves our severe pain. The second example is that ant bite. When ant bite us, it injects what? formic acid in the skin. So it is advised to rub baking soda, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate, or calamine, which is also known as zinc carbonate, which neutralizes the effect of acid. Another example is soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic, and plants do not grow well in either too acidic or basic soil. If it is too acidic, soil is treated with quicklime or slaked lime. If it is too basic, then it is treated with organic matter. And the last example of neutralization reaction in everyday life is of factory wastes. The factory wastes are acidic in nature. If it flows directly to water bodies, it will kill all the organisms living there. So, factory wastes are treated with basic substances so that the acidic effect gets neutralized. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you like my video, then please hit the like button, and if you think that this video is informative, then please share it within your friend circle, and do subscribe to my channel Biology Hai Easy, where learning is fun, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Till then, take care and keep learning in a fun and easy way with Biology Hai Easy.